Today I thought I'd introduce you to some of my favourite idioms. Idioms are really useful for understanding what native speakers talk about, and also they're impressive if you can use them correctly. My first one is a penny for your thoughts. And this means tell me what you're thinking about. We have another idiom called to add insult to injury. This makes a bad situation worse. When you give someone the cold shoulder, that means you're ignoring them. They've done something wrong. To let the cat out of the bag means to betray or give away a secret. Once in a blue moon has the meaning of rarely. Saving for a rainy day means that you're saving up your money for something. To take something with a pinch of salt means you don't take it too seriously. Like a bolt from the blue is a wonderful idiom. It means something that happened without warning. To be sitting on the fence means not to be able to make your mind up. You might have heard of this one, to jump on the bandwagon. That means to follow a trend, a fashion, do what everyone else is doing. And my final example today is the ball's in your court, which means that it's your decision now, it's your turn.
Here are some examples of those idioms. Are you listening? You seem to be wrapped up in thought. A penny for your thoughts. The food they served was cold. The cutlery was dirty. To add insult to injury, they dared to charge a 15% service. I don't know what's wrong with the boss this morning. I went in to tell him the good news about the contract, and he didn't even comment. I don't know why he's giving me the cold shoulder. Have I done something wrong? We were planning a surprise birthday party for my grandfather, but somehow he got to hear about it in advance. I think Grandma must have let the cat out of the bag. Generally, I don't like going to bars and clubs. They're too noisy. I'll only go once in a blue moon, maybe if it's someone's birthday. I don't think I'll invest in those shares. I'm saving for a rainy day. You shouldn't believe what she's saying about the merger. She always exaggerates. You have to take it with a pinch of salt. The company was on the point of going into liquidation. Then, suddenly, like a bolt from the blue, they found a new investor. The headmistress considered the two suggested options for the new school uniform, but did not want to disappoint either designer. She has a habit of sitting on the fence, so indecisive. He was one of the first to introduce online lessons in lockdown. Now everyone is jumping on the bandwagon. There are so many different providers. I've given the board of directors my advice. Now the ball's in their court. They'll have to make a decision by Wednesday at the latest.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Don't forget to pass it on, place a like, and turn on your notifications.